Here we are walking through the middle school. Today is July 20th. We know that we're getting closer to school starting, but over the next few weeks, we're really going to start to see some changes. So keep in mind, this is July 20th, and we'll try to update you as we get closer to the school year.
Just to kind of give you an idea of the majority of the classrooms, you can kind of see how the ductwork comes out, and then each classroom, each area, you can control the zones off of the rooftop unit. So that'll be a big benefit as far as comfort in the rooms once they're all installed.
Yeah. This is Mrs. Fink's classroom, social studies classroom, and the most important work, the HVAC systems, the updated lighting, the ceilings, the sprinkler system, removing the air handler units. Over the course of the next couple months, we'll get new tile, new carpet, and really make it a beautiful environment for our students.
So you actually have 2 rooftop units in this area. You can obviously see the massive amount of ductwork that's going into this. None of this was here. We can kind of show you some examples about how tight the tolerances are, with the thought that we want to leave the maximum amount of ceiling height that we can possible, right? Make it feel like a bigger area. You can see how the ductwork, I mean, we're pulled up tight, you know, to the steel. Now with that being said, we do leave some room. We have to leave a cushion there because obviously we don't want vibration, we don't want sound, we don't want disruptions to the classrooms. So that all comes into consideration. There's a tremendous amount of planning, measuring, you know, figuring. It's a whole different ball game than putting up a new building. You're trying to fit something into tight spaces, and that's easier said than done, that's for sure.
We did think about, are we doing enough renovations that we really need to just build a new building? And some people may have the question, with the amount of money you're spending, why don't you build a new building? Well, we looked at that very closely. We looked at what the experts say on what is that threshold of when you should renovate versus build new. But I want people to keep in mind, the total cost of the project is spread out among 3 buildings. It absolutely could not compensate the cost of building 3 new buildings. In addition to that, we don't have land purchase to do that. And so it really makes the best sense for our taxpayers, for our financial longevity, to renovate rather than construct new. And that's going to be better in the long run, but in the short term, it makes it a little bit challenging.